How to find someone on Instagram without knowing their name. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram application and get logged into your Instagram account. Then go ahead and tap on the search bar icon from your bottom bar and type in the name of the place. As you do so, swipe into your left and tap onto Places tab. Now make sure this is the exact place where you saw that person, or you can also type in the name of the restaurant you think you saw that person in. Then tap onto it. And just like so, these are all the people that resides in that area, and there is a high possibility that the person might be here. And that is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.